Guys, in previous lesson, we realized that we don't need to specify data type on variable while we are dealing with Python program. But there is a way that can be used to define data type for variable while we are dealing with Python programming language. That method is called casting, where you cast your variable to certain data type. So without spending much more time, let me show you how it works. Yes, as I have said here, forecasting is when you want to specify the data type of variable. This can be done with casting. To define or to specify data type of variable, we should use this casting method. For example here, as you see, this is a simple example demonstrating how we can use casting in Python programming language. As you see, we write data type, for example here, x, which is equal to string, then we assign our value here, right? X, which is equal to string 3. To mean that this will print 3 in string. It's like writing 3 in this single quote as string, right? Then also we can just write y, which is equal to int 3. To mean here will be 3 as an integer. Do you see? And also once we write z, which is equal to fruit 3, now we are dealing with fruit. To mean that decimal numbers, as you see, it should be like 3.0. Do you see? So this is a way you can specify data type for variable, which is called casting method. So let us try also to run this piece of code in our code editor and see what will print. Yes, you can just write x is equal to what? X is equal to string like 3. Do you see? To me that our string now is defined as string because we are just using casting here. Do you see? And also we can just write y is equal to, for example, int 3. Here this string now is integer, but previous one is string. Do you see? Then also we can just define z, which is equal to fruit now 3. Here now we are dealing with decimals. Do you see? So let us, for example, print x, also print y, and you can just also print our z. Do you see? Let us try it and see our output. You just need to save it and click on this run icon here. You see? Let us wait a little bit. See now. Actually, for the previous one is string. To mean that it's like have single quote here, as we have seen in our example. The second one is real integer, normal integer. That's why is 3. And keep focus on this fruit. It should forcing it into decimal numbers. That's why print 3.0 to show that is now decimal. Do you see? So thank you so much. This is how you can specify data type for variable in a Python program by just using casting. So thank you. See you in next lesson.